What's the meaning of clung? Clung. Clung.
Clung. Clung. The verb clung is the past participle form of the word cling, which means to hold tightly onto something or someone. It can also describe a strong attachment or dependence on something or someone. When someone clings to something, they are unwilling or unable to let go. The result of clinging can range from physical contact with an object or person to emotional dependency or obsession. Clinging can be seen as both positive and negative depending on the context. It can represent loyalty and commitment, or desperation and vulnerability.